Hey there! Do you want to know the secret behind Akshat Health Care's top-notch home services? Hold on to your seats because I'm about to spill the beans. Imagine this. You or your loved ones need medical care but prefer the comfort of your own home. Sounds perfect, right? That's exactly what Akshat Health Care offers. From 24-hour services to the best home care, they have it all covered. Need a nurse or a caretaker? Done. Blood pressure checkup or lab tests? Easy peasy. And that's just the beginning. Akshat Health Care provides facilities like nursing staff, caretakers, and even a trip Kaunula. Ever heard of that? Don't worry, they've got you. They also offer BP checkups, YPET machines, Nobili Junction, and all kinds of lab tests. Did I mention they bring the medicine to your doorstep? Talk about convenience. And there's more. Need a catheter, an ambulance, or physiotherapy? No problem. They've got beds, doctor visits, oxygen cylinders, injections, and even dressing services. But wait, there's still more. Anomia, tracheotomy care, sanction, sugar checkups, chest tube care, and ventilator patient care. It's like having a mini hospital right at home. So, why wait? Discover the secret to top-quality home care with Akshat Health Care today. Because when it comes to health, there's no place like home. Stay healthy, stay happy. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.